In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove audio or music track on your InShot video editor. If you find this video helpful, I kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. My name is Isaac and let's get into it. So I have here a video that has an audio track, but I'd like to go ahead and remove the audio track completely. To do so, it is quite simple. Just go over to this audio here and then tap on it. And once you have tapped on it, you'll see two tracks. We have video track here, and then we have the audio track. To delete the audio track, just go ahead and tap on it, and then move this bar to see, and you'll see this option called delete. If you go ahead and tap on delete and then confirm it, your audio track will be removed completely on your timeline. Now, if you go ahead and play, you will realize that now your video will not have the audio or will not have the music track that you had added. So that's how you can remove your music track on your videos using InShot. If you have any other question, let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video is helpful, kindly hit the like button and also subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.